Good morning, we are here at the tournament and we are so late. It is freezing. Is Inti awake and ready?
Yeah.
We're competing today. What is that you carrying McDonald's?
No,
are you having McDonald's for breakfast?
Oh, I didn't have breakfast.
Look at these Poomsae girls getting ready. We are freshly made it. I am here warming up, getting ready to compete in Poomsae. I'm going to be one of the first ones up. All the students are stretching and getting ready, and I feel like it's going to be a good day. Finally got called, now we're heading in. So, and up there is little baby Jet. There you go. Hi, Jet! Okay, first up is Maya. Okay, so waiting for my turn. Did the warm-ups. Side kicks are still a little funny, but we're gonna make the best of it.
Next, AAU Utah. Registration closes on.
Issues with Taekwondo 7. Did you see my issues?
Oh, no?
No? I did. What'd I do? A lot of things,
heart
really.
attack.
I had some weird steps. I had some weird arm movements. I'm pretty sure I redid them. It was weird. But we're just gonna go with it. Here's a little pause. So we have had a bunch of students competing, including myself, which I did my Poomsae. Not great, but good enough for now. My favorite part was probably having my little boy being able to come and take a picture with him and just get excited about him being able to compete in these tournaments in the future. Right now we have students on like every single ring. They're all about to either do Poomsae or Sparring. Here, let me just show you where everyone's at. Okay, so this ring right here, we have Maddie. She's about to spar. It's her first competition as a black belt. It's 2:30. We're barely starting sparring, so it's just going to be a long day. But that's usually what Taekwondo tournaments are like. Question, what is the latest that you have ever stayed? I don't know if you can hear me. What's the latest you've ever stayed at a tournament? I think the latest I've ever fought has been 1 a.m. I think it was in Las Vegas or Costa Rica. Honestly can't remember, but let me know in the comments what's the latest that you've ever stayed at a tournament.
My latest was, I think it was like 4 a.m.
That's too late. That's
You were fighting. You were going to fight on that one.
1 a.m.
No, it went like 3 or 4. We sent you away, but I stayed with the referees.
I guess I fell asleep. Oh, you're right. I know you did. We're done! Here's our gold medal winner. Proof.